Friends, if you are new in trading and if you are watching this video, then you are extremely lucky. You will know in few minutes why I am saying so, because what I am going to show you and tell you in this video can help you to become a extremely profitable trader. So watch this video very carefully. As you can see here, there are few results that we have made, and these results are copied by our PIP copy trader who have joined our free Telegram channel and followed the instructions in order to get into our PIP Telegram channel. And we gave them UID to copy these trades automatically into their account by using the social trading feature of this platform. Now, I'm not telling you it is compulsory to copy me, but I'm going to show you few things that can actually help you to trade by yourself. However, you can copy my trades also by joining my Telegram channel. That is one thing. But the other thing, I'm going to show you exactly how you need to become a profitable trader. And I'm going to give you the exact steps. So if you notice here, we make $200 per trade in each trade. We make 3 trades per day, Monday to Friday, whenever the market condition is absolutely best. We only trade at that time. So that means we are a disciplined trader. We do not trade randomly, and we make one session in one day. Okay, like we make 3 trades in one session, and we only trade once a day, not trading randomly. So we have our emotion and psychology in control. And in case of money management, we do not do our money up and down while we are making the trade. These things are very important to understand. Firstly, now how to execute the trade so that you can make profit like this. For that, I am going to show you some of our past result. I'm going to play this video so that you can watch it and see how we are making the trade. Whenever all of the candles are green, at that time we make entry in 1 minute time frame, and the trade is in profit. This is one trading session video. Now let me show you another trading session video which our PIP have copied. Here you can see all of the candles are green and we made a trade at here. And however, in this trade, not all of the trades were profitable. Okay, 2 trades was draw and 1 trade was in profit. Now let me show you another. If you see here, all of the candles are green and then we have made trade, and this trade was also gone in profit. How beautifully. Now, in order to become a profitable trader as a complete beginner, what I suggest you to do is you visit to my channel, and you can see in short section, you can see there are lots of video that we have published. All of these are the trades that we provided to our copy traders. Whenever we made trade, they copied it and were profitable. These trades are recorded at the time when we make the trade, and then it is published in our shorts. Now if you watch these videos, you will see a common factor which I have recently explained you. Whenever the market is in strong trend, either it is going up or it is coming down straightly without any alter candle. Like if it is going up, there is no any red candle in the middle. If it is coming down, there is no any green candle in the middle. At that time we make trade, and we are able to make profit. It is as simple as this. But I have explained you few things before. You need to have a full control of your emotion and psychology. You do not need to overtrade. Just make one trade a day and do not make the amount up and down. If you follow these 3 things, then no one can stop you from being a profitable trader. Now, do like this video, and if you want to copy my trades automatically into your account, then do join my free Telegram channel and follow the latest instructions there, and you will get access to our VIP Telegram channel where you will get the UID and a video guide on how to copy our trade automatically into your account. So this much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and comment something good about this video so that this video can reach to more people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.